First, unscrew the screws holding the steering column cover. Using the pry tool, unsnap the lower steering wheel column cover and remove. Next, unsnap the vehicle sill panel. Use the pry tool if necessary. Remove the plastic bolt. Remove the side panel. Remove the 2 bolt head screws and pull down on the lower dash panel. Next, remove the big white vehicle connector near the ignition and plug the T-harness in line. Attach the grounding ring to an unpainted screw on the vehicle chassis. Remove the white 30-pin connector from the BCM and plug the T-harness in line. Unsnap the OBD2 port from its bracket. Plug the T-harness in line to the OBD2. Replace the OBD2 port from the T-harness back into the bracket. Module programming. Press and hold the programming button. With your finger still holding it down, connect the big white connector. The LED will flash different colors. When only the blue and red LEDs are momentarily lit, release the programming button. The blue and red LEDs should stay lit. Insert the required remaining connectors. Press and release the programming button 10 times. The red and blue LEDs will alternate between flashes and a pause. Insert the key into the ignition to the on-run position. Wait for the red and blue LEDs to flash rapidly. Then wait for the blue LED to flash rapidly. Turn the key to the off position. The blue LED will turn off. The module is successfully programmed. Test the remote starter with the doors closed and locked. TPMS connection. The TPMS connection is required for the OEM remote to remain functional while the engine is remote started. Without this connection, the remote starter will work. However, while the engine is remotely started, you won't be able to unlock the vehicle using the remote. You will have to physically insert the key. Locate the black 20-pin connector. It is located behind the driver's side kick panel. Find the blue TPMS wire at pin 3 on the black connector. Cut the wire in the middle using a wire cutter. Strip back the blue wiring jacket to expose the copper wire underneath. Connect the cut blue vehicle wires into any side of the TPMS harness. If you are using the included crimpers, use a crimper tool to securely crimp the wires. If you are wiring it directly, twist the wires tightly together and cover it with a piece of electrical tape. Connect the red connector to the module. Secure the module with the included zip ties, and the installation is complete.